Hello guys, so I'm stuck on this screen right after I have updated my Warzone to Season 3, and the message says that the current profile is not allowed to play multiplayer on Xbox. I really don't know right now what is happening. I hope that this is only a temporary glitch, and I hope that Xbox will not let us to purchase the Xbox Live for us to play this game. By the way guys, I'm using the Xbox Series X. So I've just tried to look on my settings, and I also tried disabling this one, crossplay, and still the same. The current profile is not allowed to play multiplayer on Xbox Live. So let me just redo that one. Where is that? Accessibility. No, it's here, options, account, disabled, enabled, back. So it's the same message. I have also tried restarting my console, and wait for a while, let me just try it one more time. I think that Blizzard wanted us to purchase the Xbox Live in order for us to play the game. So let me just check. Sign in. Passcode. Operation Mark. Connecting to Xbox Live. This is the new background image of the Season 3. There's a gorilla at the back. I don't know what's it. Yeah, let me just try one more time. Play, the same message. So guys, if you happen to know, or you know how to fix this one, please comment down below. Thank you so much.